Welcome friends to Tech Maya. I'm back with a new product. This time we are going to see a budget range in-air hands-free, so which is mostly used by almost everyone at home, be it children for their classes or for office goers or for music lovers or those who need a good quality mic as well. We will see a budget one with a 6-month warranty, which is called VCool, which is there on Amazon Republic Day sale, which comes around 269 rupees. So let's unbox this and check out if it is worth enough and then how well it is. Let's get into the product. Yeah, let's get into the unboxing of this product. So this is how it looks like. So we will put this aside. Yeah, this is a very good casing. So there is a case. So let's check what is inside it. Okay, there is one more case here which is quite beautiful, but the finish is still can be good. So this is how it is. So okay, they have given 2 pairs of buds, and yeah, this is the in-ear hands-free. Okay, so let's check this out. This is how it is. It comes in a normal cover, and then hopefully, yeah, this is quite long. Yeah, this is good. The length is quite sufficient. So let's check this out so that feels comfortable when we wear it. So however, we need to check the music and the mic. Okay, so VCool is the name of this product. I'm actually listening it very clearly. Yeah, we can increase and decrease the. Yeah, here again they have given the increase and decrease of the thing. Now you have on off also here, you can control this. Yeah. Let's check the mic out. Okay, there is a slider sort of a thing. Yeah, it works super. Oh, good. Okay, and let's check this mic out. So I'll give a call to one of my friends so that let's see how it goes. Okay, so yeah, okay. A good one. Okay, it's clear. Okay, so the quality is fine. But then we'll have to test it on a day-to basis. But at a price of 269 rupees, I think it's worth it, which comes with 6 months warranty too. So good. So this is the one, VCool. So yeah. So let's meet in another video. Till then, thank you.